Good morning, kindergarten. This is Miss H, and I'm going to instruct you on how to make a pinch pot out of clay. It's very important that you follow these directions carefully so that you will be happy with your finished artwork. The very first step is to take your clay out of its package. If you need help with this, raise your hand quietly and wait patiently for assistance. Once it is out of the package, pinch off a little piece and put it to the side. Next, roll it using both of your hands into a nice ball. When you are happy with your ball shape, use your thumb and poke it into the center of your ball, but be careful not to push your thumb all the way through it. Use your fingers and gently squeeze, turn, squeeze, turn, squeeze, until you go all the way around and it opens up like a bowl. You want to use your fingers again to make it open up a little bit more. Try to keep them even. You want the whole wall around the bowl to be the same thickness. It's getting there. Now place it flat on your table. Push down on the inside, on the bottoms, so that you can make the bottom flat in your bowl. Now you have a nice flat bottom to your bowl. Your next step is to take this tool and stamp your initials in the bottom of it. Your initials are your first letter of your first name and your first letter of your last name. Mine is MH. I'm not going to draw it with my tool. I'm going to stamp it by gently pressing in. If you press too hard, it will go through the bottom of your bowl and you'll be sad. There's my M. There's my H. So now I know this is Miss H's bowl. So turn it back over, straighten up your walls, smooth out any fingernail holes that you made by accident. Okay. Now take your piece that was extra that you pinched off at the beginning and pinch off even smaller pieces and roll them in your hands to make little balls, and then roll it sideways to flatten it just a little bit to make a jelly bean. These aren't real jelly beans that you could eat, they're just for decoration. So roll these around in your hand to make little balls, and then roll it sideways to flatten out it a little bit. Another little jelly bean. Pinch off another piece, roll it in your hand, roll it sideways, and there's your jelly bean. Don't let them stack on top of each other, they'll stick. Set them side by side. Roll it, and then roll it sideways just a little bit. Makes another little jelly bean. Keep doing it till you've used all of your extra piece. You want several good sized jelly beans. Roll it in a ball. Roll it sideways. Don't press down too hard. You want to keep them like a little jelly bean, not a hot dog. Roll it sideways just a little bit. Little jelly bean. Last one, rolling it sideways. Little jelly bean. Okay. Next, you would want to take your paintbrush and your cup of slip. We're not picking them up. I'm just showing you what it looks like by picking it up. It looks like glue, and it acts like glue, but for clay, it's called slip. So you're just going to dip the tip of your brush in, not a whole bunch. We're not scooping. We're not sticking it down deep in the glue. And we're petting the inside of our bowl with slip. I keep calling it glue, but it acts like glue. I need a little bit more. Now it's time to put my jelly beans in there one by one. Don't pick them up once you drop them. However they land, that's where they stay. So if you pick them up, they'll get smashed. And there is your bowl of jelly beans. I hope you're happy with how your artwork turned out. Now sit tight while you wait for the rest of directions from Miss Campos. Thank you, kindergarten.